Hello friends, today's topic: from today's level by 2030, Sensex will double, experts' opinion. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Sensex index was formulated and published by BSE since 1st January 1986. However, the base value was taken as 100 and started in 1st April 1979. It was meant to give a snapshot of the performance of the Indian stock markets since investors cannot observe the performance of many individual stocks. 30 stocks with the highest free float market cap are included in the Sensex, that is sensitive index. So effectively from 100 points in 1979, it's around 81,000 in 2025. This works out to a CAGR of 15.6% in around 46 years. Let us see the journey of Sensex since January 1990. Journey of Sensex: year January 1990, Sensex level 783. January 1992, Sensex level 1957 and change for 2 years 150%. January 1996, 3127 and the change for 2 years minus 10%. January 2002, Sensex level 3246 and when compared to change in 2 years minus 40. January 2024, Sensex level 5,915, change for 2 years plus 82%. January 2008, 20,300 and the change for 2 years 116%. January 2012, Sensex level 15,518 and the change for 2 years is minus 12%. January 2014, Sensex level 21,140, percentage change for 2 years 36%. January 2016, 26,161 is the Sensex level, change for 2 years is plus 24%. January 2018, Sensex level 33,813, change for 2 years 29%. January 2022, Sensex level 59,183, change for 2 years 43%. June 2025, Sensex level 81,000 and percentage change for 2 years 12%. So you can see that Sensex has performed extremely well in some 2-year periods and some periods it has not done well for every 4 years. If you only enter stock markets with a vision of 2 to 4 years, there is a chance that you could still incur a loss of after holding your investment for 4 years. Although the average annual returns is 15.8% for the last 45 years, it is not a smooth journey. There has been plenty of ups and downs in this period. In fact, stock market veteran Ramdev Agarwal has predicted Sensex to be 1,50,000 in 2029. Exclusive news: Sensex will hit 1.5 lakh by 2030 and 3 lakhs by 2035. Ramdev Agarwal makes a big prediction. For Sensex to reach 1,50,000 in 2030 from the current level of 81,000 requires an average CAGR of 13.2%. So although 1,50,000 looks like a huge figure and looks difficult, it's actually achievable considering the average returns of Indian market has been 12 to 14% per annum over the last 25 years or so. We will need to wait and watch whether Sensex touches 1,50,000 in 2030. However, if not 2030, it should happen in 2031 or 32 in the worst case. Even then, the returns will be 11 to 12% per annum average, which is still decent for us to create wealth. The individual stocks and mutual funds may do slightly better and hence 13 to 14% can be expected provided your investments are managed well. Also, Ramdev Agarwal has predicted Sensex to be 3 lakhs by 2035. In the past, his predictions look very unrealistic. However, broadly, his predictions have come true. But don't assume that any stock or mutual fund will give you good returns. The overall index may go up, but your returns will depend on the investments you hold. So be alert and mindful of the above points. Here is a question at the end of the video. By which year do you think that Sensex could be around 1,50,000 mark? Type the year in the comment section because we want to know your opinion. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.